To cancel a Shopify order, start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the home screen, click on the Orders tab in the left-hand navigation menu. This will bring up a list of all your recent purchases. You need to click directly on the order number for the specific transaction you want to stop. Make sure you select the correct order by verifying the customer name and the financial status before proceeding. Once the order details page opens, scroll down slightly until you see the section titled Fulfillment Status. If the order has not been shipped or fulfilled yet, you will see a prominent red button labeled Cancel Order. If this button is grayed out or missing, it means a fulfillment agent has already started processing the shipment or the order has been archived. In that case, the cancellation cannot be processed automatically, and you will need to issue a manual refund separately. After you click the red Cancel Order button, a pop-up window will appear asking for confirmation. Here, Shopify gives you several options. First, decide if you want to restock the items back into your available inventory by checking the Restock Items box. This is crucial for keeping your stock levels accurate. Next, check the box that says Notify Customer if you want the system to automatically send an email informing the buyer that their purchase has been canceled. You can also uncheck this box if you plan to contact them personally with a custom message. Finally, look at the refund details at the bottom of the window. Shopify will automatically calculate the total paid, including shipping and taxes. You can optionally adjust the refund amount if you need to retain a restocking fee, but you can also leave it as is to refund the full payment. Once you have reviewed the inventory options and the refund total, click the Cancel Order and Issue Refund button. The order status will immediately change to canceled, and the payment will be sent back to the customer's original method of payment, typically within 5 to 10 business days, depending on their bank.